Hello, today I will show you how to use the Unity Nav Mesh system on Unity3d. I am going later in a different video, I might teach how to use it for the 2D system. So let's go over to the project. I already imported my character and 3 of my scripts: camera look, player movement, and the follow script itself. This is what the player looks like. When we hit play, the player is able to move with WASD and the arrow keys, and he's able to look around with the mouse or mouse pad, and the mouse is locked on the screen. Hit escape to move it off, and let's pause it up. Let's make a character that would basically follow him. And this part is really easy to do. Just get a 3D object. Capsules work the best. And then put a NavMesh agent on it. And now it's showing different kinds. You have to pull up the navigation tab so it knows what to do with the agents. The areas where it shows walkable, not walkable, and jumping. And then there's bake, where when you hit bake, it puts a blue layer, a blue mesh over all of the objects. Then you have to show if it's walkable, not walkable, or walkable. Like jump. And then when you hit bake, it should know what to do. But first you need to add a script so it knows how to work this stuff out. First, let us attach the follow script. As attached now. Let us open it up first. Okay. First, it says using Unity Engine AI, so the script knows what it's using. Unity Engine, but it's using its AI. And then nav would stand for nav mesh agent. At the top, they made a variable, nav mesh agent, and then it's translated to make it shorter, nav, and then public transform target. When it says public transform, that means when you go back to the editor, you're going to find a space to drag and drop it into. And then get component navmesh agent. It is grabbing the component, the navmesh agent. So then you can use it for nav.set destination target.position, which means set destination for the target you put the public transform in. That's how that would work. Now if you go back here, drag and drop the target, which is the FP camera or first person camera. Drag it. And drop. Don't forget one thing, the baking. You have to select what you want to bake first. We want to bake the cube. So when I hit bake, it should bake up. It should. Be working a little. Yep. Just had to go to the object settings and turn on navigation static. Now if I hit play, it should be working now. See, now he's following me. But at this point, he's running into you, pushing you off the ledge. But the only reason he stops on the ledge is because his pathfinding was not set there yet. It was only set very, very close quarters. See? Right here, there's an example. He only stops right when the pathfinding was not found. why he's not pushing me off completely. But if you don't want them to push you off, let's go to just stop it. Kill off the simulation. Inspector. Go back to our enemy. Then you change stopping distance. Maybe like stopping distance at 3.7 or 3.8. Actually, that would work. Now instead of pushing us off, he should most likely just stop. Yup, right here. But I put it at 3.8, so it's farther away from me. The closer I get, he won't move. See? Thank you for watching. This was how to use a Unity nav mesh system for Unity 3D.